about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to take that train and for some Hakka training on ICRT. And this whole month, we're taking you to Miaoli Gongguan. Now, this is the season of Tong flower. And so there's going to be a lot of places to visit that has this blossom going on. We're going to find out where we can view the Tong flower best. 我们今天要带大家到公馆呢，当然呢，已经来到了桐花季了。我们要来赏桐花，哪里呢可以来浪漫的赏桐花呢？等一下请 Leo 来介绍一下喽。哇，来到公馆这边呢，我们要到户外走走了。尤其现在是4月份了，桐花季已经慢慢展开了。
对，5月雪就可以看到了。
5月雪要来了，对。到底公馆哪里呢可以来赏桐花呢？
这个地方你一定没去过，叫做打鹿行。
打鹿行，这是叫做
打鹿坑。
打鹿坑干嘛要去打猎？是不是啊？
讲对了耶，被你蒙对了。这边以前很多鹿的对，当地的居民就会来这里打猎。但现在没鹿了。
打鹿坑就是打猎鹿的坑这样子。了解。那现在我们可以好好的来赏桐花的意思喽。
对啊，而且这边不单只有桐花，它什么樱花啦、杏花啦、桃花都很多。
哎呀，这个地方好花啊。
是啊。不过苗栗就是桐花的大本营，像是打鹿坑的油桐花更是有名啊。
所以一定要这个慕名而来，不能错过，对不对？
当然啦。
哇，那赏完桐花之后啊，当然还是要吃东西吧？
没问题啊，公馆有很多特色的客家餐厅啊，一定可以满足你的胃口。
其实我第一次尝试客家菜就是在公馆
真的啊？
哇，好，赶快去走走，然后再去吃好了。
好，走。
Have you heard of the deer hunting grounds in Miaoli? It got its name because long ago, many deer hunters would hunt there. And while the area still attracts a lot of people, now their bounty is the spectacular flowers that bloom in the spring, the most famous of which is the Tong blossom. Miaoli is Tong blossom central, and you can wander through the white petals thick as a blizzard for hours. But after you've feasted your eyes, don't forget to fill your belly at the amazing Hakka restaurants at the bottom of the mountain.
好了，逛完跟吃完了，总是要学一些客语吧？
没问题啊。
当然，我们来赏油桐花。怎么说油桐花呢？
油桐花。
油桐花 ，that's the tongue flower, and then it's all white. 白色怎么说？Passet. Okay, that's white. 刚刚吃完了好吃的美食啊，好吃总要教一下吧？
后生，
and that is delicious. Now you know it, and that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.